What's up, everyone? It's MKBHD here. Google just dropped some serious tech bombs with their new Pixel 9 lineup. We got the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and these phones are all about AI. Google went all in this year, baking AI into every nook and cranny. From the software to the camera, even the way you interact with your phone has been revamped. Google's taking AI to a whole new level, making your phone smarter, faster, and more intuitive. And that's what I'm most excited about. Let's talk about why AI is such a big deal for smartphones, specifically the Pixel 9. This isn't just about making your phone sound futuristic, it's about unlocking a whole new level of functionality. We're talking about features that were once considered impossible on a mobile device. Think about it. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, which means your phone can now understand context, learn your habits, and even predict what you need before you even ask. That translates to a phone that's not just smart, but actually helpful. Imagine a world where your phone can automatically filter out spam calls, translate languages on the fly, or even help you compose the perfect email. That's the power of AI, and that's what Google's bringing to the table with the Pixel 9. This is just the beginning, people. Now, at the heart of all this AI magic is Google's new secret weapon, Gemini. This isn't just another voice assistant. It's a full-blown AI powerhouse integrated directly into the Pixel 9's DNA. We're talking deep integration with every Google app, every Android service, and even third-party apps. Gemini is your co-pilot, your personal assistant, and your all-knowing guide to the digital world. Need to send a quick text? Just ask Gemini. Want to find that obscure restaurant you went to last year? Gemini's got you covered. Need help translating a sign in a foreign language? You guessed it, Gemini to the rescue. But here's the kicker. Gemini isn't limited to just voice commands. You can interact with it using text, images, even your voice. That's right, folks. We're talking about true multimodal communication. This is next-level AI interaction, and it's only available on the Pixel 9. So what makes Gemini so different from all the other AI assistants out there? I mean, we've all used Siri, Alexa, Bixby, you name it. But Gemini, trust me, is on a whole other level. It's not just about setting alarms or playing music, it's about truly understanding you and what you need. Gemini is deeply integrated into the Pixel 9's operating system, which means it has access to all your apps, your data, your preferences. It learns from your usage patterns, your routines, even your quirks. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. Think about it. Gemini can anticipate your needs before you even realize you have them. Imagine getting a notification about traffic on your usual route home. But before you even ask, Gemini has already calculated alternate routes and suggested the fastest one. That's the power of a truly intelligent assistant. One of the things that sets Gemini apart is its ability to understand context. This isn't just about recognizing keywords, it's about understanding the meaning behind what you're saying, the nuances of language, and even your emotional state. Let me give you an example. Say you're texting a friend about a movie you saw, and you mention that you didn't love it. Gemini, being the smart assistant it is, can pick up on that sentiment and automatically suggest other movies you might enjoy based on your viewing history. It doesn't just react. It understands. And this context awareness extends to everything you do on your Pixel 9. From suggesting relevant news articles based on your browsing history, to recommending restaurants based on your location and dietary preferences, Gemini is always working behind the scenes to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about those times when I can't or don't want to talk to my phone? Well, that's the beauty of Gemini. It's not just a voice assistant, it's a multimodal communication powerhouse. You can interact with Gemini using text, just like you would with any other messaging app. You can even show it images. Imagine showing Gemini a picture of a landmark and asking, "What is this?" or "Where is this?" It can instantly recognize the image and provide you with all the information you need. This multimodal approach to AI interaction is a game changer. It means you can communicate with your Pixel 9 in the way that feels most natural and convenient for you, whether that's through voice, text, or images. All right, let's talk about the camera. Because, Pixel means photos and video. The Pixel 9's camera was already incredible. But with the power of AI, it's now in a league of its own. And one of the coolest new features has to be Add Me. We've all been there, right? Trying to wrangle everyone together for a group photo, but someone always ends up getting cut out. Well, Add Me solves that problem once and for all. Using AI, the Pixel 9 can intelligently identify when someone's missing from the shot and seamlessly stitch them in, even if they were out of frame originally. It's like magic, but better because it actually works. No more awkward one more time requests or cropping out your best friend. The Pixel 9 makes sure everyone gets their moment in the spotlight. It's just one example of how Google's using AI to make everyday photography easier and more fun. Now, if you're a fan of getting up close and personal with your shots, you're going to love this. The Pixel 9 packs an upgraded 5x telephoto lens. But hold on, it gets even better. With Google's new Video Boost technology, you can now achieve high-quality zoom up to 20 times. That's right, you heard me correctly. 20 times zoom without sacrificing detail or clarity. And it's all thanks to the magic of AI. Video Boost analyzes your footage in real time, compensating for handshake and other movements to deliver incredibly smooth and stable zoomed-in shots. Whether you're capturing your kid's winning goal from the sidelines or trying to film that elusive bird in the distance, the Pixel 9 gives you the power to get closer to the action than ever before. But wait, there's more. Google's also introducing Magic Editor, an AI-powered editing suite that's like having Photoshop in your pocket. Say goodbye to clunky editing apps and hello to effortless photo enhancements. With Magic Editor, you can do things like magically remove unwanted objects from your photos, even if they're partially blocking other elements. Just circle what you want to disappear, and the AI will intelligently fill in the background, making it look like the object was never there. You can also adjust the position and size of subjects in your photos, all with a few taps and swipes. It's intuitive, it's powerful, and it takes mobile photo editing to a whole new level. And if you're anything like me, you probably don't spend hours meticulously framing every single shot. Sometimes you just want to point and shoot, right? Well, Google's got you covered there too with AutoFrame. This handy little AI feature automatically analyzes your scene and adjusts the framing to create the most visually appealing composition. It can even track moving subjects, keeping them perfectly centered and in focus, even if they're darting all over the place. AutoFrame takes the guesswork out of photography so you can focus on capturing the moment, knowing that your Pixel 9 is working behind the scenes to make your photos look their best. Okay guys, let's talk about something that really blew my mind, Pixel Studio. It's a full-blown on-device image generator powered by AI. Creates stunning original artwork right on your Pixel 9. With Pixel Studio, your imagination is the only limit. Built on Google's Tensor G4 chip and Imagen 3 model. It's like having a personal digital artist at your fingertips. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the magic of text-to-image generation. It might sound complicated, but trust me, Pixel Studio makes it incredibly easy and intuitive. You simply type in a text prompt describing the image you have in mind. It could be anything from a cat wearing a top hat, riding a unicycle on the moon, to a serene landscape with rolling hills and a shimmering lake. The more descriptive your prompt, the more detailed and accurate the generated image will be. But don't worry about being too technical or using fancy art terms. Pixel Studio is surprisingly good at understanding even the most casual language. Once you've entered your prompt, Pixel Studio gets to work, leveraging the power of Tensor G4 and Imagen 3 to generate a unique image based on your description. It's a fascinating process to watch, and the results are often breathtaking. But Pixel Studio doesn't just stop at generating images based on your text prompts. It also gives you a ton of control over the style and feel of your creations. You can choose from a wide range of artistic styles like photorealistic, impressionistic, abstract and more. Want to see what your cat wearing a top hat would look like as a Renaissance painting? Pixel Studio can do that. How about a cyberpunk-inspired cityscape? No problem, and it gets even better. Pixel Studio also allows you to create and save your own personalized stickers using AI. Just take a photo of something or even draw a quick sketch, and Pixel Studio will turn it into a reusable sticker that you can add to your images. This level of customization and personalization opens up a world of creative possibilities. You're not just limited to what the AI can generate, you can truly make your images your own. So, what does this all mean for you? It means that the Pixel 9 with Pixel Studio isn't just a phone. It's a portable art studio, a design lab, a creative playground all rolled into one. It's a tool that can empower anyone to express themselves visually, regardless of their artistic skills or experience. Imagine being able to create your own unique social media graphics, design custom invitations and posters, or even just generate fun and whimsical images to share with friends. Pixel Studio makes all of this possible and more. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will Pixel Studio's capabilities. Who knows what amazing creative tools Google will introduce in the future? One thing's for sure, Pixel Studio is a glimpse into the future of mobile creativity, and it's incredibly exciting. Let's talk about something we all rely on. The weather. Weather apps? Not groundbreaking, right? You're right to some extent, but Google has taken weather forecasting and injected it with AI. Introducing the new Pixel Weather app, rebuilt with AI at its core. It's about hyperlocal, personalized predictions tailored to you, integrated with Google's data sources, including satellites and sensors. Pixel Weather leverages AI for the most accurate weather information. You see, traditional weather forecasting relies heavily on historical data and large-scale models, which can be accurate on a regional level, but often miss those microclimates and sudden shifts that we all experience. This is where AI comes in. Pixel Weather's AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of real-time data from various sources, including your phone's GPS and barometer, to detect even the slightest changes in atmospheric conditions. This means Pixel Weather can provide you with incredibly localized forecasts, even down to your specific street or neighborhood. Imagine knowing that it's about to rain on your block, but clearing up a few streets over. That's the level of precision we're talking about here. But it goes beyond just rain or shine. Pixel Weather also uses AI to provide you with more detailed and relevant information, like the fields like temperature, humidity levels, and even UV index forecasts. It's like having a personal meteorologist in your pocket. Now, one of the coolest things about Pixel Weather is its ability to learn your routines and preferences over time. Let's say you typically go for a run around the park every evening after work. Pixel Weather will actually learn this pattern and start providing you with tailored weather updates for your usual running route so you can plan accordingly. It can even send you proactive notifications, like letting you know that it's about to start raining on your way home from work, or suggesting you pack an umbrella because there's a high chance of showers later in the day. Pixel Weather is always one step ahead, anticipating your needs and keeping you informed about the weather that matters most to you. And the best part? Pixel Weather is constantly learning and improving. As more people use the app, its AI algorithms become even better at predicting the weather with incredible accuracy. So there you have it, folks. The Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro AI powerhouses in your pocket. Google has gone all in on AI this year. From Gemini, your new AI best friend, to the photography magic of AdMe and Magic Editor, the Pixel 9 is redefining smartphones. And with Pixel Studio, you become a digital artist. Pixel Weather keeps you ready for anything. This is the future of mobile. Go explore the world of AI with the Pixel 9. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Thanks for watching.